Now that you know how to quickly scan with Kosmos, let's synchronize ECG tracing and digital auscultation with your cardiac image. This unique feature lets you quickly assess cardiac function with just one powerful handheld tool. First, connect the single-channel 3-lead ECG attachment to the probe. It's a magnetic port. There's no need to push and you won't feel a click. We have left arm, right arm, and left leg leads which attach to the body like so. Next, connect the headset to the bridge using an adapter to connect the audio cable to the USB-C port. Now let's turn on the ECG and auscultation features within the bridge. Tap the ECG and Digital Auscultation tab to get started. You'll notice that the ECG toggle is already selected in a green color. It automatically turns on when the ECG leads are connected to the magnetic port. You can see the ECG signal scroll across the bottom of the ultrasound image in green. You can adjust its gain here, and you can toggle which ECG leads you are using by tapping on this button. The default is set to lead 2. To turn on digital auscultation, tap the DA button. You'll see a digital waveform scroll across the bottom of the ultrasound image in blue. You can also adjust the auscultation's gain and speed, which may be helpful in assessing abnormal heart rates. Volume can be adjusted by tapping on the volume buttons on the side of the bridge, or by tapping the top margin of the screen and sliding down to open a menu to adjust the bridge's volume and, if needed, the display's brightness. The microphones are located on the probe head, so when you place it on the heart, you can hear and see the heartbeat simultaneously. You are now capturing all 3 critical signals to assess cardiac health.